Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be cutting up some of this beautiful pine we have. But first of all, we got a little maintenance to do. We got, I noticed some wobbliness the other day. I was cutting wood and I noticed how the head was wobbling quite a bit. So I went to check some of the screws to make sure everything was tight, and noticed we were missing quite a bit of bolts out of it. I guess that vibrated out, and probably should use a little Loctite on it, but we're tightening those up today and replacing those bolts that fell out. Okay.
I'm recording you screwing.
That's a Pornhub video, baby. So we've got quite a few bolts underneath this thing, all underneath this carriage. And I was missing those two, this one, that one, and the same on this side. I was missing those. I got those back replaced. These right here, I was missing a few on that side as well. I did find a few bolts on the ground, but I didn't find all of them that fell out. What I'm about to do now is go ahead and take my little impact, and I'm going to run all over this mill and check everything. I've been focusing on the deck and all the deck bolts and make sure those were tight and hadn't loosened up, but I haven't checked the carriage at all for the sawmill head. So we're going to go through all those and we're going to tighten up the deck as well. We have like 14,000 bolts that run along the deck sides here and the bunks. We're going to tighten all those up, and all these little bolts up here on the head. So let's get to it. Cutting 100 pounds better. just like that, we've got some beautiful yellow pine wood. I cut some 1x6s. Let's see how many we got. I got 6 1x6s and, sorry, 6 2x6s, 1 1x6, and 2 1x10s, and some slab stuff. But come out really nice. Man, that mill cuts so much better now with everything tight. It's like a world of difference. Reminder to you, make sure all your bolts are tight, because those things will vibrate out. It makes a huge difference in cutting quality. I didn't have a problem at all pushing it. I was getting a little blade dip a while back, and the head was wobbling around on me, and now it's just perfect cuts. I want you to see this beautiful pine we cut. It wasn't a very big log, but it was super nice and beautiful grain in it. Not too many knots, but it does have a few. Just the grain alone is really pretty in this wood. Made some really nice boards. Like I said, it wasn't a very big log, but it makes some really nice boards. And I'm building a little porch anyway, and this is all going to that. So it'll make some nice lumber for it. So that's what we have for today on the sawmill.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.